Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Juicy Couture Women's Perfume. The scent does not last long, and definitely does not smell like the real brand. The emblem is clearly different, and the top gem cap isn't shiny like the real one. This scent does last all day, and doesn't tend to mix with your scent of your skin to give you a funky smell after a long day. It's fake. It smells awful. It's not even the same color as the real Juicy Couture spray. You have to wait about 510 minutes for it to settle into your skin, but that is how most fragrances are. Not overpowering at all unless you put too much. Only a little on your hot spots is needed, ladies. It's a nice mixture of floral fruity, so you can't really pinpoint which one it is. And if you so happen to be looking for a scent that men seem to love, it is so light and fresh, and most of all it lasts all day. You really can't go wrong. This is a really nice scent that can be worn any time of day, or all day. This seems to be a watered-down version of what you would get at a department store paying full price. It was a gift, and was very surprised, and happy with the size, and price for this fragrance. Very pricey in the past 6 months, but was happy to finally find it a great price. It stays on all day. It is very refreshing, and people compliment the fragrance on me. It's always preferable when trying a new scent to wait approximately 12 hours to see how your body reacts. Everything of Juicy Couture's that I've ever seen and bought is stunning, and this is no exception. The price is remarkably lower than the rare sale prices at department or beauty stores, but this is no knockoff. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.